Welcome to Trade Pro. In this video, I have an extremely important topic to discuss, and that is managing your expectations when it comes to your trading results. The issue is new traders coming into the market have extremely high expectations, and they probably need to lower those expectations by 99%. And this isn't their fault. Well, partially it is, because it's pretty stupid to believe you're going to get into a new industry and suddenly make a ton of money right off the bat. But anyway, it's fueled and compounded on exponentially by the industry itself. The scammers, liars, gamblers, and people who just don't know any better, putting content out, selling courses, selling things related to trading with lies and false hope. So the newbies, they just want to believe so bad, even if their judgment is saying that it's probably not true, they still want to believe. And what I want you to ask yourself is, how come Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, the richest people in the world, aren't coming to these trading gurus and giving them billions of dollars to trade on their behalf? It's because it's a lie, and these extremely successful legitimate businessmen are smart enough to know that it's not true. These people are not getting the returns they're saying they're getting. You know how you see those advertisements where all these traders say, you know, there's a bunch of them out there. I grew my $500 account to a $500,000 account in X amount of time. Really short period of time. It's a really typical one. Anyone saying that or making that type of claim has not shown proof. Where's the proof that they did that? And if maybe you can name 1 in a million that has proof that they grew their account massively in a short period of time, let's see that person repeat that. And I guarantee you that even if they had 1,000 more tries, they would never repeat that success, because they simply got lucky gambling on high leverage. So that you need to understand before you can be successful trading. Because if your expectations are too high, you're never going to be satisfied. You're never going to settle into the right way of doing things. All right. So you need to lower your expectations hugely. Ask yourself what's realistic, and stop listening to people who are telling you to risk huge amounts on each trade, or telling you that they can get you huge gains in a short period of time. It's just not true. All right. You don't think you can just show up at a large company and become the CEO in 2 months with no educational background. It's just not. It's the same thing with trading. It's going to take a lot of time, patience, practice, and you're probably still not going to be to where you wanted to be originally. All right. So just keep this in mind for any of those new traders out there. Keep this stuff in mind, and just please lower your expectations. Your expectations are far, far, far too high. What is realistic? Well, you should probably just start with not losing money, and start with getting your trading psychology to the point where you can execute a trading system flawlessly without error indefinitely. So your emotions should never get in the way of you following your trading system that is proven profitable. And once your trading psychology is completely developed and you no longer have that internal conflict in the markets or those emotions when you're trading, then you can enjoy trading a lot more, and you can see where the true expectations should be with your trading, and it becomes a lot more fun once you get to that point, because then all you're trying to do is just slowly tweak and improve over time your strategies, because once you've mastered the psychology and your risk management and such, it's just a matter of playing around with different strategies and indicators and things along those lines, and trying different markets. So that's where you see me just playing around with different indicators and strategies for fun, just to tweak things, try different things simply for fun. So just keep this in mind if you're a new trader out there whose expectations maybe were very high, and just understand you're not going to get rich quick trading, and that you're being lied to and scammed by almost everyone out there in the industry. And a lot of them just don't know any better. So I feel bad for them as well, for not knowing any better and then putting information out to newbies that is incorrect. But it is what it is, and just try your best to be successful and put in the effort. It's going to take a lot of work, and don't believe anyone out there who tells you any different. All right. But anyway, I think that's it. Right now, I'm just on the screen here. I'm just trying to put together a strategy for the small account challenge that I'm going to be doing on the channel, and I'm just trying a few different indicators out, combinations, different risk rewards, and just testing things out, seeing what works and what doesn't. But anyway, I enjoy the process now, and hopefully you can enjoy the process of learning as well. But anyway, have a good one. Okay, thanks for listening.